Hello Year 3, I hope you had fun yesterday measuring lots of different objects in the house and using different types of scales. Today we are looking at different scales with different intervals in between the numbers, and your first question today are what are the similarities and differences between these two scales? So pause the video, you might want to draw a little table and write as many different things that are similar and as many different things that are different. Okay, when I looked at this, there were some things that were obvious. I saw that the things that were similar, that they both started on 0. I saw that they both ended in 3. I saw that they both had a red arrow called a dial. And I both saw that they were measured in kilograms. Things that were different, the most obvious is one's green, one's orange, and one's got a bag on it and one's measuring a laptop. I looked at how many intervals there were in between, that's little gaps. And between the 0 and the 1, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 jumps. And this one only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. Okay, so what does that mean? How can I measure these? Well, we always start on 0, and for this one, I'm going to go all the way to 1 kilogram, all the way to 2 kilograms, and then I don't know whether to measure add on 100 or add on 200 each time. So I've put it on a number line to make it look easier. So between 2 kilograms and 3 kilograms, I have on this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps, just like the orange scale. If I added 100 every time, 2 kilograms 100, 2 kilograms 200, 2 kilograms 300, 2 kilograms 400, 2 kilograms 500. Oh, I wanted to end on 3 kilograms. So I need to go up in more than 100. So I think I'll try 200. 2 kilograms 200, 2 kilograms 400, 2 kilograms 600, 2 kilograms 800, 2 kilograms 1000. Well, 1000 is a kilogram, so 3 kilograms. Okay, so this one I need to add on 200 grams every time I do a little gap. And most of the questions today will have to do that. So let's just practice. 1, 2 kilograms, 2 kilograms 200, 2 kilograms 400. Okay, so that one there is 2 kilograms 400. But let's look at this one here. We go 1, 2, and do I add on 200 every time? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 jumps instead of 5 jumps. So looking at this one, if I did 200, I do 2 kilograms 200, 2 kilograms 400, 2 kilograms 600, 2 kilograms 800, 2 kilograms, 3 kilograms. Oh, I wanted to be 3 kilograms at the end. That's not going to work. I think it's 100 grams. 2 kilograms 100, 2 kilograms 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 2 kilograms 1000, which is the same as 3 kilograms. Okay, so I can go 2 kilograms 1, 2, 3, 400, and it's actually the same, 2 kilograms and 400 grams. Well done, Year 3. So the next questions we're going to do together. I'm going to do the first 2 and I'd like you to have a go at the other 2 completely on your own. What is the mass of each thing? We know that the word mass means how heavy is something in kilograms or grams. So I'm looking at the tomatoes and I start on 0. I go around clockwise. I say 1 kilogram. It's more than 1 kilogram. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. So I think it's 200. Let's just start here. 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000. Perfect. I know that 1000 grams is the same as 1 kilogram. So I've got 1 kilogram plus 200 grams plus another 200 grams plus 400 grams. 1 kilogram and 400 grams. What's the mass of the rice? Start on 0, go clockwise. 1 kilogram, 2 kilograms, 3 kilograms, 4 kilograms, and a little bit more. Not 5 kilograms, because 5 kilograms is up here. I'm going to go, it's smaller, this scale. So should I go up in hundreds? Well, I'm going to start on 0 and just check. I think it's 100s now. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Oh, so even though it looks smaller, it's because it goes all the way up to 6 kilograms. And this one only goes up to 3 kilograms, so it's to weigh smaller, lighter things. So we don't want to go up in 100. So when I get to 4 kilograms, I need to go up and add 200 each time, I think. I'll just check it here. 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000. Fantastic, because there we know that 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So 4 kilograms, 200, 400, 600, 800 grams. And I can see that that is probably the right answer because it's really, really close to 5 kilograms and 800 is really close to 1000. Next two, pause the video and have a go on your own. Okay, the answer for this one should have been 2 kilograms and 600 grams. And the answer to this one should be 5 kilograms and 400 grams. Because 5 kilograms, 200, 400 grams. Pause the video here and have a go at the worksheet that was attached on the assignment. If you managed to do that quite quickly, why don't you do a couple of extension questions? So can you write word problems involving mass, so involving how heavy something is in kilograms, and amounts of objects? So it might be that the desk weighs 10 kilograms. How many would 5 desks weigh? Okay, or how heavy is 5 desks? Now I'm going to move on to the answers, so make sure you'll pause if you're going. I want you to do these on your own because there's no point just copying the answers. You don't learn anything from your mistakes. Question 1. The answers were fairly straightforward. It's 2 kilograms and 600 grams, 2 kilograms and 800 grams, and 3 kilograms 200 grams. Question 2 was a little bit tricky. What was confusing is that it wasn't just the watermelon on the scale and it wasn't just the coconut on the scale. It was the watermelon plus 200 plus 200 plus 200 plus 200, and it showed you the weight of all of that. So I'm sure a lot of you just looked at the scales but didn't do anything else, and that's quite hard. We're going to start with the coconut because that's the easiest. I want to find out the weight of just the coconut, not the coconut plus 200. So I look at the scale and I can see that the scale tells me it is 2 kilograms and adding 200 grams. But that is the weight of the coconut and the weight. I'm going to cross out the weight. So I'm going to cross out this thing here, which is 200 grams. And as I cross it out, I also then need to take it away from the total amount. So I'm going to take away 200 grams. 2 kilograms, take away 200 grams is nice and simple. It is 2 kilograms. So I know that the coconut, where it says here, coconut is about 2 kilograms and no grams. But what about the watermelon? The watermelon plus 200, 200, 200, 200 is, start on the 0, go around, 2 kilograms and 200, 400, 600 grams. So I need to take away the 200, 200, 200, 200. And I think I'm going to do one in 2 steps. Because I can see it's 200 grams, I'm effectively going to take away 200, 200, 200. Cross it out, cross it out, cross it out. I'm not going to do all of them in one step. So 200 kilograms, 600 grams, take away, what is 200 plus 200 plus 200? Well, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, and it's 100 times bigger, so take away 600 grams. And like with the coconut, our answer is 2 kilograms. But we've also got another one to take away. So I need to do 2 kilograms, take away only 200 grams. Okay. I'm going to do that on a number line because it goes a bit hard. I don't know how to do this. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to start with my biggest one, which is 2 kilograms, and underneath I'm just going to write 2,000 grams because that is the same as 2 kilograms. With my mouse I'm then going to take away 200 grams. I think it's easier thinking about 2,000 grams take away 200 grams because it's then the same unit. 2,000 take away 200 is going to be 1,800 grams, which is the same as 1 kilogram, 800 grams. I could have used the scale to help me as well. If I'm on 2 kilograms here and I take away 200, I land here, which is 1 kilogram, 200, 400, 600, 800 grams, which is exactly the same here. So that's how you get this answer here. And then the other questions is which is lighter? Well, I know that the watermelon is 1 kilogram, 800, and the coconut is 2 kilograms. So the watermelon is actually lighter. The coconut is heavier. We found out these answers, and now you need to find out whether the watermelon is lighter or heavier. Well, we know that it is lighter, but by how much? So what is the difference between 2 kilograms and 1 kilogram 800? So you can do one take away the other, or you can count up. And if I count up, I know that this one is 200 grams more because the difference between 2 kilograms and 1 kilogram 800 is 200. So it is 200 grams lighter than the coconut. And I've got here 5 similar coconuts. Well, I know that coconut is 2 kilograms. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, or 2 times 5, is 10 kilograms. So that's how you get the answers to question 2, which I think was much harder than question 1 and much harder than the questions we've had all week. So well done, Year 3, you've worked really, really hard.